This is my sneak peek. Well, it's already updated so we can play it, but this is the grand update, y'all. So, for the first thing, the shop's here. Game modes are here. There's some lore. I add lore. Yeah. Crazy mode. If you don't know what does crazy mode is, activate it.
Susi baka.
Yeah, that's the good one. Alright. Settings here. So this is what it does. Alright, let's go to fire mode, alright?
Susi baka.
Fire mode. Alright, so when in times you get money. Oh. You got play mode.
Susi baka.
You got opposite mode.
Susi baka.
Some updates that we need to do or need to do. Alright. What's the job? You got free money and
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
those are updates. So this is sneak peek. Okay, no. This is a good okay. It's optimized. I optimize it because it was too laggy. So I did the prompt and it actually worked. Crazy mode is optimized. No shakes and all that. Yeah, that's how it is. And there's classic mode. For 2D. Can't see the villain in this one because I don't know why. So this is 2D. Alright. Alright, so this is how it is. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I could post it. Post it in. Boom. Now you can play it. Every subscriber needs to play this game, alright? Only my trusted, only friends, only subscribers who played it, or guest or something. Anyone can get the link. So yeah. Alright.